When you get into hyper growth phase or a more accelerated growth phase, then you need to be in a place where you are capable of raising capital, like I said, you're capable of taking risks, and you're intelligent enough to understand how the business needs to reorient itself and shift. Because running a company when you have a single storefront is very, very different than when you have multiple storefronts or if you're franchising the business. Very different model altogether, okay? And what you're going to be doing day to day is also different. So let's take the franchising route, for example. Actually, first story I want to tell you, I remember I was speaking to someone many years back, and they were saying, I really want to franchise my business. Can you guys help me? I said, yeah, we can potentially help you. I just need to learn more about kind of where you're at and what you need in order to make sure your system is ready to grow. And I started asking them some questions, and I said, okay, are you guys profitable yet? And if so, how much? No, we're not profitable yet. Are you able to step away from the business, or are you working in the business full time? He's like, I'm the only employee in this business. And maybe I have one other person help me part-time, but I can't run my business hands off. Okay. How long have you been in business? 6 months. So everything was just showing me that this person was very far from having a highly proven, profitable, consistent business model that they were ready to grow into a franchise. Because when you're franchising a company, from a financial standpoint, it's going to require upfront investment, but also from an operational standpoint, although you're still in the juice business, what you're doing day to day is so different, right? Your customers change because your customers become your franchisees. Your customers are no longer the people coming to buy juice from you directly, right? You're going to be running more of a corporate company than a brick and mortar store, right? Because your business model has completely shifted, even though you're in the same industry.